everyone, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing an order from Kylie Cosmetics as well as a try on of those products. Kind of a little review of them for you. So her collection this year is a money theme. Alright, personally, I was put off by that. I think it's kind of condescending. We all know she's a billionaire.
But that didn't stop me from purchasing.
In this box holds items from her 2019 birthday collection. Okay, so this is a package from Kylie Cosmetics.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, okay, so we got this thingy. A little note thingy on the back, which is super cute. It says, 22 years young, thank you for helping me do amazing things for amazing people this year. I can't wait to make my birthday wish come true. Tag at Kylie Cosmetics and show me your looks. XOXO Kylie Jenner. So fetch. I decided to order the Kylie lip kit in Kylie, which is a velvet formula, as well as the high gloss. You guys hear my kitty? Say hi, Prince. Say hi. He has to have a little tracker on because he was naughty and got away. Where'd you, Prince? So this gloss is called 1 in a Billion. The packaging for her high gloss is a light pink, and then it has Kylie written in glitter with an outline of a shiny green. And it says money all around the packaging in green and pink. Okay, so we're gonna open up the high gloss, and of course we have little money bags. So her high gloss is in her typical high gloss packaging, which is the faint pink cap. 1 in a Billion is a sheer warm pink with gold pearl. It does look like a very light pink. So it does give you quite a bit of a tint. I feel like it's not overwhelming with gold pearl, so that's great. So this time the lip drip is actually a $100 bill. Grills are very sparkly. And then we have Kylie written in sparkly pink as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. That is pretty cool, I must admit. I really adore how Kylie does the inside of her packaging. So here we have her lip pencil as well as the velvet liquid lipstick. I really do enjoy the light pink that this has. So we have our standard clear tube, but this time we have the dollar signs and they are in a shiny reflective green, and the cap is also in a shiny reflective green. Now the encasing of this, I was kind of underwhelmed with, not gonna lie. Reminds me of a makeup that you'd get in one of those little kits that you get when you were a child. So Kylie is a soft, dusty nude. Sorry if you guys hear that noise, it's part of our cat's toy. It's like this string that's on this conveyor belt and they try to catch it and it just goes round and round and round. She really wanted to play, and Prince usually steals the toys away from her, so I figured he's not in here, so she deserves to play. So hopefully it's not too big of a distraction. Oh, well, she just ran off. Okay then. I guess I made her feel pretty bad. That wasn't very nice of me. Okay, so we're gonna apply half of my lips with the lip liner.
I already have the matte version of this lip kit, so I'm using the pencil from that one.
I like applying the lip liner on the inside of my lips as well as around my lips. I feel as though it allows the liquid lipstick to stay on longer. I'm anticipating that the Kylie Velvet Lip Kit is going to come out as an official color. So if you don't get it, then I feel like you don't have to worry. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply Kylie.
Is there a place to get away where I can be myself for better or
I love this color. It's one of my favorite. So I'm really glad that she decided to do this in a velvet formula. The velvet formula is much more moisturizing, obviously, than the matte formula. It does transfer, but it wears down nicely and it does keep its shade for a very long time. So I'm gonna apply 1 in a billion over top of Kylie. Sounds weird. This high gloss is gorgeous. This actually is a very pretty shade. I wasn't gonna get it because it had shifts of gold, and then I was like, oh, well, you know, I have to pay 8 something for shipping. Oh wait, no, on her birthday she did do free shipping, so that was cool. But I just still decided to get the high gloss. Which reminds me, I ordered the package August 10th, and they had it shipped out the same day. And it arrived the 13th.
And she had some 99-cent lip gloss on her snaggletooth.
So this was sent USPS. They did a great job, even though they weren't wearing little brown uniforms.
That's almost as funny as you not realizing you have lipstick all over your teeth.
Oh my god. Okay guys, let me know down in the comments below if you purchased anything from the Kylie 2019 birthday collection, or if you think you will. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, later.
How could you say this every time? This